Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add phone number to Microsoft account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to do this, you want to go on to your PC or laptop and you want to open up a new internet browser and come across to Microsoft.com. So from here, if you're not logged in, you're going to see the sign in button in the top right hand corner. As you can see for myself, I'm actually logged in already. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click on to your profile icon. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto the link to go to your Microsoft account. So it's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now what you're going to want to do from here to add your phone number is come to this menu on the left hand side. And you want to click on to the option which says your info. From here, what you want to do is scroll down until you get to the account info section. So this section just down here. As you can see, currently there is no phone number on this account. So let's go ahead and add a phone number. What you're going to want to do is click up here where it says edit account info. And at this point, it might prompt you to enter your password. So you just want to do that and then sign into your account. So now you'll be taken to a screen like this. And this way you can come to actually add your phone number. So if you look in this section where it says account alias, and you can see a link here which says add phone number. So if you click onto this link, and what you can do is add your phone number. So you just need to enter your country code and then go ahead and add your phone number underneath. Once you've entered that, just come down and press the blue next button at the bottom. At this point, it might ask you to do a quick verification. So what you want to do is complete this verification. And once that's done, what's going to happen is a code is going to be sent to your phone. So you want to have your phone to hand and enter the code. Then what you need to do is come down and press the blue next button underneath. Once you've done that, you'll be taken back to this screen and you can't see our phone number has now been added. So that's basically how you can add phone number to Microsoft account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.